Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna talk about how to use the image masonry widget of our htmega plugin. This widget can be used to display your images within a masonry layout. Now if you don't know what masonry is a grid layout based on columns. Unlike other grid layouts, it doesn't have fixed height rows. Basically, masonry layout optimizes the use of space inside a web page by placing elements in optimal position based on available vertical space. Sort of like mason fitting stones in a wall. Let's check some of the examples we have here. Now let me show you how you can utilize this widget on your website. First of all, create a section. Now search for the image masonry widget. Drag the widget to the section. In this panel, you can select a style for the images. Set the number of columns from here. Now upload an image and set an image size over here. You can also insert a title and a description for the image. If you want to show a button, insert a text and a link for the button. Add more images if you need. From the Style tab, you can customize all the necessary styles for the title, description, and button. So this is how you can display your images within a masonry layout. If you have any questions regarding this widget, please put them in the comments below. That's it from me today. See you in the next video.